Could artificial intelligence already be reshaping the American workforce? A shocking MIT study finds AI has the potential to replace nearly 12% of U.S. jobs, affecting major sectors and wages. But what does this mean for the future of work, and how can policymakers prepare for such a transformation? Welcome to our deep dive into MIT's latest study on AI's impact on the U.S. labor market. Using a revolutionary tool called the Iceberg Index, researchers have identified that AI can replace 11.7% of U.S. jobs, translating to $1.2 trillion in wages across industries like finance, healthcare, and professional services. This video unpacks how the Iceberg Index works, what it reveals about potential job disruptions, and how different states are preparing for these changes. Stay tuned to discover how AI may already be influencing your local job market. In this video, you'll learn about the innovative Iceberg Index, a labor simulation tool developed by MIT and Oak Ridge National Laboratory. Discover how it maps AI's impact down to the zip code, offering a detailed view of where job disruptions may occur. We'll also explore how states like Tennessee, North Carolina, and Utah are leveraging this data to plan strategic reskilling investments. Whether you're a policymaker, business leader, or curious citizen, gain valuable insights into the future of AI and employment. A groundbreaking study by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology reveals that artificial intelligence could potentially replace 11.7% of the U.S. workforce, equating to a staggering $1.2 trillion in wages across industries such as finance, healthcare, and professional services. At the heart of this study is the Iceberg Index, a labor simulation tool developed in collaboration with Oak Ridge National Laboratory. This tool offers a revolutionary perspective on how AI might reshape the labor market. It's not just focused on tech-centric coastal regions, but extends across all states, highlighting both metropolitan and rural areas. For policymakers setting billion-dollar plans for reskilling and training, the index provides a detailed blueprint of where automation disruption is beginning to take root down to specific zip codes. This is particularly vital as local and federal governments work to anticipate and mitigate the economic shifts AI is set to bring. The Iceberg Index functions as a massive digital twin of the U.S. labor market, representing 151 million workers as individual agents. Each of these agents is tagged with their respective skills, tasks, occupations, and locations, and the tool maps over 32,000 skills across 923 occupations within 3,000 counties. This level of granularity allows researchers to measure where current AI systems can substitute existing skills, unveiling critical insights. While the initial signs of job shifts are already visible in tech and computing sectors, these only account for 2.2% of total wage exposure, roughly $211 billion. The real challenge lies in the broader underlying $1.2 trillion that potentially involves roles in human resources, logistics, finance, and office administration, domains which forecasts might traditionally overlook. Thus, the index offers an invaluable resource for policymakers to explore hypothetical scenarios and make informed decisions regarding AI's integration into the economy. States have begun collaborating with MIT to leverage the Iceberg Index for proactive planning. Tennessee, North Carolina, and Utah are among the pioneers validating the model with their labor data and employing its insights for policy formulation. Tennessee has already incorporated the index into its AI Workforce Action Plan, while Utah is poised to follow suit. North Carolina's commitment to using the tool is driven by its ability to circumvent traditional analytical blind spots. State Senator DeAndrea Salvador highlights the value of county-specific simulations to correlate current skills with potential AI-induced changes in GDP and employment rates. This approach is invaluable as states establish AI task forces aimed at synchronizing efforts across sectors. Moreover, the Iceberg Index dispels the misconception that AI threatens only tech job-heavy regions, proving that even areas not traditionally associated with high-tech industries are equally susceptible. By providing an interactive simulation platform, the Iceberg Index empowers states to experiment with various policy adjustments, ranging from workforce funding shifts to technological adoption strategies, before allocating significant resources. To summarize, MIT's study using the Iceberg Index reveals that AI could potentially replace 11.7% of U.S. jobs, affecting $1.2 trillion in wages across various sectors. The tool provides an invaluable map of job disruption possibilities, helping states like Tennessee and Utah plan ahead with reskilling initiatives. The Iceberg Index challenges the notion that AI's impact is confined to tech hubs, showing its potential influence across all 50 states, including rural areas. This insight is crucial for effective policymaking and adaptation in the AI-driven future. As we face an AI-driven future, how should policymakers and businesses prioritize reskilling and training investments? What steps can you take to prepare for potential job disruptions in your area? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the intersection of technology and employment.